Hey, good day, friends. Lance Klessig here with Sheldon Luehmann and Mike Unruh. And just wanted to provide a little update and also invite you to our August 10th field day here at Burr Farms. Dave and Mike Unruh are hosts. So, Mike, can you tell us a little bit about what people can expect when they come?
So we'll be able to showcase our beans that we had rye in that we roller crimped so you can see what they look like. We'll also have a drone seeder providing seeding in soybeans and possibly corn. And then we'll have a high boy detasseler that was converted to a seeder, and he'll be running through the corn with a demo. We'll also have in the yard, we'll have different seeding equipment. We'll have the vertical till seeder. We'll have a Coon Axis spinner seeder. We'll have a drill and I think one other type of seeder, as well as roller crimpers, so you can see different ways that we're getting the cover crops on.
Awesome. So yeah, a really nice diversity of different ways to get cover crops established. Sheldon, tell us a little bit more what people can expect as far as meal and that type of thing.
Yeah, we're going to have a meal catered in, so that'll be good. And then we're going to have a speaker talking about alternative forages that he's using on his dairy farm. And then we're just going to have a good night of networking and learning from each other. And we'll also go look at some 60-inch corn that's interseeded with cover crops too.
Right, and that's on your place, so
Yeah.
just down the road.
Yep.
Yeah, so I think it's going to be a really tremendous evening. So it goes from 4:30 to 8 here, right at Mike and Dave's place. You can find out more information by, I guess, looking up on Facebook. Look up Unruh cover cropping, and then we'll have the flyer there and like a link below to register. So yeah, bring a friend or a neighbor or whatnot, and we'll look forward to seeing you on August 10th. So thanks much, and we'll see you then.